four 10-foot sections of pipe in the Rogue. Who needs a pickup truck? Hey, welcome back everyone. Don here again. So I haven't really posted anything in a while. Took some vacation time with the family, and we're back. I'm back, and I'm here to get started on another project, and that is to fix my gutters or my gutter drain. I didn't like the way they were set up before. I'll put a little snippet of the way it was prior to me digging it up. I didn't film this part. I dug this little section. It's about 20 feet long. I'm ready to put the pipe together, and I'm going to take you along. So the old drain ran into the box here, and it ran down to a pop-up drain. But because I'm putting in the trail, I need this to go under the trail so it don't wash out. I didn't really care for the drain box either. I thought it was a good idea initially, so I could get in there and maybe clean it out if I had to. But it was horribly executed, and that's my own fault. So I'm going to put a new drain. I'm going to connect it directly to the downspout of the gutter system. So I haven't quite completed the digging. I've got a little bit more to go here, but I had to stop. I know you guys are probably looking at this going, well, why is the tractor facing that direction when I should be digging in a straight line? And that's true, but I ran out of space. Where I'm standing right now is a steep hill, and I can't get the tractor on it to dig straight up the line. I was able to get the tractor kind of go up this lump and back it up and dig this part of the trench here, and then the part here on the road I kind of had to dig from the side. So that'll give me the angle I need, and I'll add a piece of pipe to that 45, get me down into the hole, and hopefully a 22.5 will give me the angle I need to go down the trench. We'll see. I think it'll be all right. So this is a 45. That's a 45 there. Went down about 3 feet, cut the pipe off. I'm going to put another piece on with a 22.5, but I just have to dig down the end to get the angle right down the very end of this first portion of the trench. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and it should work out. I'll cover it over tomorrow, but it's all sealed up and it's all glued and it's all in place. It should work out just fine. I could have used flexible corrugated pipe, and that would have certainly been a lot easier. But I think this is going to be a lot stronger and probably last a lot longer too. Well, all right, I did a little handwork on the trail. Getting there, a little bit more handwork on the lawn area and maybe some topsoil, and we're in business. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you have a great day. We'll see you next time.